Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can pin a post on your profile on Facebook. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to pin a post to your profile on Facebook, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to menu. And once you're on the menu, next, I want you to go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, scroll down and then you will now be able to see all your posts on Facebook, so just find the one that you want to pin. So let's say that this is the post that you want to pin, for example. So to do that, just tap the three dots on the top of the post. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the pin post option right here, so just tap it to completely pin the post to your profile. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, the post will now be pinned to your Facebook profile. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.